Hey there! If you're struggling with bad credit and need a personal loan, you might be feeling frustrated and unsure of where to turn. But don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of getting approved for a personal loan with bad credit. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, make a large purchase, or cover unexpected expenses, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Section 1. Understanding your credit score. Before you apply for a personal loan, it's important to understand your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use your credit score to determine whether you're a high or low-risk borrower. A low credit score can make it difficult to get approved for a personal loan, but don't worry, there are steps you can take to improve your score. First, check your credit report for errors. If you find any mistakes, dispute them with the credit bureau. This can help boost your score quickly. You can also try paying down your debts, making on-time payments, and avoiding new credit applications. These actions can improve your credit score over time. Section 2. Improving your credit history. In addition to your credit score, lenders will also look at your credit history when considering your loan application. Your credit history includes information about your past loans and payments. If you have a history of missed or late payments, it can hurt your chances of getting approved for a loan. To improve your credit history, focus on making on-time payments and paying down your debts. You can also try negotiating with your creditors to settle any outstanding debts. And if you have any accounts in collections, work with the collection agency to set up a payment plan. Section 3. Exploring your loan options. Once you've worked on improving your credit score and history, it's time to explore your loan options. While it may be more difficult to get approved for a personal loan with bad credit, it's not impossible. Some lenders specialize in providing loans to people with poor credit. One option is to look for a secured personal loan. A secured loan is backed by collateral, such as your car or home. This can make you a less risky borrower in the eyes of the lender, and increase your chances of getting approved. Just be aware that if you default on the loan, you could lose your collateral. Another option is to consider a co-signer. A co-signer is someone with good credit who agrees to take responsibility for the loan if you can't make the payments. This can help you get approved for a loan, but be aware that if you default on the loan, it will also hurt your co-signer's credit score. Section 4. Applying for a personal loan. Once you've found a loan that meets your needs, it's time to apply. Be prepared to provide information about your income, employment, and debts. You may also need to provide proof of income, such as pay stubs or tax returns. It's important to be honest in your application and provide accurate information. Lying on your application could lead to the loan being denied or even legal consequences. After you submit your application, be patient. It may take some time for the lender to review your application and make a decision. If you're approved, review the terms of the loan carefully before accepting it. Make sure you understand the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards getting approved for a personal loan with bad credit. Remember, it's important to understand your credit score, improve your credit history, and explore your loan options. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of getting approved for a loan and improving your financial situation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.